Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve given a linked list, reverse alternate nodes and append at the end. The task is given a linked list, you have to perform the following tasks. First one is the extract the alternate nodes from starting from second node. Second point, reverse the extracted list. Third point, append the extracted list at the end of the original list. Input output, I will explain with the example. Our task is complete the function rearrange. Note, try to solve the problem without using any extra memory. Input. Here is the example. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the two lines. First one is the number of elements. Second one is the those details of those elements in the linked list. The same way remain test case also. But we need to solve the rearrange function only. We need not to take bother about input. So the logic is explained with the second test case. What we need to do is extract the nodes, alternate nodes from second node onwards. So 2 and 4 is extracted initially. Then the second point, reverse those extracted ones. So that will become 4 2. Then after, third one is the add that linked list, extracted linked list to the end of the original one, to the 5. So that list look like 1 3 5 4 2. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. Rearrange function. To solve this task, I am using three additional nodes S or T. S is the S equal to odd, nothing but S pointing 1 now. T is used for the extractor list purpose. To get the extractor list header T. And N equal to 0 is to find out the extracted ones. N is used for that. So our journey is started with while loop. S not equal to null. So S is pointing 1, so S is not null. Then while loops executes if condition n percentile 2 equal to 0. So n is even. So 0 is even. So if block executes r equal to s. So r pointing 1 now. Then s equal to r next. S moved to the 2 now. N increments. N value 1. S not equal to null because s pointing 2. Then 1 percentile 2 equal to 0 is false. So comes to the else block. In this time, in this block, r next equal to s next. R is 1. S next is 3. So R1 is pointing 3 now. Then S next equal to T. S next, nothing but 2 next is null. T equal to S. So T pointing 2 now. Then S equal to R next. R next is 3. So S pointing 3 now. N increments. N value is 2 now. Then S not null because S pointing 3. N value is 2 now. 2 percentile 2 equal to 0 is true. Then R equal to S. R pointing 3 now. S equal to R next. S pointing 4 now. N plus. N value is 3 now. S not equal to null because S pointing 4 now. So this block executes. Else block. R next equal to S next. R next is 3 next is equal to S next because 3 pointing 5. S next equal to T. S next is 4 next is 2. So 4 is connected with 2. T equal to S. T pointing 4 now. S equal to R next. R next is 5. So S comes to the 5. N value increments. N value 4 now. Then S not equal null. S is at the position of 5. N value is 4. So 4 percentile 2 equal to, it is true. Then R equal to S. R pointing 5 now. Then S value is R next. R next null. So S is null. N increments. N value 5. S not equal null, false, because S is null now. While loop stops execution. R next equal to T. So R next is, R is pointing 5. R next is null, but R next equal to T means it is connected with 4. Then 4 connected with 2. Then that list look like 1, 3, 5, 4, 2. See this, our code is right or not by compile test. See this, expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Yes, correct answer with the execution time 0.14. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.